Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP OfficeJet Pro 8740 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for HP OfficeJet Pro 8740 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be an HP support page that says HP OfficeJet Pro 8740 all-in-one printer series. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to scroll down underneath the support category that says software and drivers. Go ahead and open that up. And then scrolling down again, you want to select the HP OfficeJet Pro 8740 all-in-one print and scan driver and accessories and download that. Give that a moment. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file and give it a moment to extract here. And it should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes. And then just proceed with the on-screen wizard, getting your printer configured to your device preferences, and then just follow along with the wizard. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.